Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn on how you can add music on a video using Inshot. Since some people be stressing too much finding some editing apps or thinking they can use some other computer software or anything. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can add music in Inshot. So simply start by opening Inshot. And now that Inshot is open, you can see even more tools to work with. So simply come and then click on this section part which says video. And now as you can see you have been given the option to select the video you would like to add music. And now that is open, you can see that we have been given the option to edit your video. So as you can see we have so many tools to work with, so this is where you going to add music. So to do that, so simply come and then click on this tool which says music. And now as you can see it's open, so simply click on tracks. And now as you can see you have been given the option to either import it or extracting it from a video, and also iTunes. So if you have an iTunes account, simply come and then click on iTunes. So as you can see for me I don't have an iTunes account, so if you got one you will simply select it. So for me let me try extract it from a certain video, so simply come back. And then choose this option which says extract from video. So now that it's open, simply select the video you would like to extract your video from. So after finding it, you can see even more tools to support you in editing the length of the audio you would like to extra. So you can adjust it here. After doing that simply click on this OK button. And now as you can see a new music layer has been added on my timeline. And that new layer is our music. So from now on you can manage your videos. However, if you wanted you would go back and then reverse the changes back. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching, and if you are new, make sure you subscribe.